This is strong wind. It's powerful, dangerous, and it can blow you away. People fear it, but here's the shocking part. You can survive it. Before I show you how, quick question. Do you think you could stand strong against the wind? Leave a like and subscribe if you think you can take it on. Turns out the secret is simple. Lean into it, angle your body, and move with it. That's how you stay balanced. Safety tip. If the wind's too strong, stay inside. Only go out if you really have to. If you want to see more amazing content, and if you think this puppy is the cutest thing ever, smash that like button and subscribe right now.